Respected dignitaries who have been invited to this felicitation meeting, elders of the poultry industry, members of the committee of the person being felicitated, and our respected guest, my brother Mr. Avinash Reddy, my heartfelt greetings to all of you. It gives me great happiness to have you here. We are extremely thankful to you for attending this meeting and being present throughout the program. We believe that your presence gives us an opportunity to share any difficulties faced by our poultry farmers with you and, through you, with the government whenever necessary. The main purpose of today's meeting, under the leadership of our President Mr. Mohan Reddy and our Vice President Mr. Narsimha Reddy, is to honor and appreciate our brothers who have worked for the welfare of the poultry community. The main objective is to respect one another, maintain mutual dignity, acknowledge the work that has been done, and convey a positive message to those who are going to take responsibility in the future and to the coming generations. Our farmer brothers, poultry farmers, and trader brothers have shown what can be achieved when everyone comes together with unity and collective strength. This meeting itself is an example of what we can accomplish when we stand together. Therefore, we decided to organize this small gathering to discuss the problems faced by everyone and to felicitate our brother Mr. Murlam Shekhar Reddy, who played a leading role in guiding and running the committee. As part of this initiative, many farmer brothers responded positively to our small message. Every farmer brother believes that the prize we are getting today has been possible because of collective efforts. In this achievement, our trader brothers have also played a very important role. Your unity, your efforts and the advice you have given have contributed significantly. Today, Telangana and Hyderabad in particular has reached a position where prices are being determined at the national level in the poultry industry. This has been possible because of the collective efforts of all of you. You have played a very significant role in this achievement. On behalf of the Federation, and on behalf of all our poultry farmers, I once again extend my heartfelt respect and gratitude to all of you. We sincerely request that your cooperation, support and valuable advice continue in the same manner in the coming days. There are many challenges ahead for farmers. On several occasions, we have discussed the difficulties faced by both farmers and traders. However, because of the support you provided, the advice you gave, and the coordination maintained with Mr. Shekhar, we were able to achieve a good price during the season. During the feed rate situation, poultry farmers were under considerable pressure. Because of your support, we were able to coordinate with all the zones and work together with unity. We were also able to control the market price to some extent. Whenever there were differences or fluctuations, we worked towards bringing a second level price and balancing it with the prices that had already been declared. The way this entire process was managed and taken forward was very commendable. We will take this as an inspiration for the coming days. Our farmer brothers, traders, the zonal committees and all concerned members of the Federation will continue to work together with you. Whatever guidance, instructions or suggestions you provide, we will make every effort to move forward together. We request all of you to continue putting your efforts into the welfare of farmers and into strengthening the poultry system and price mechanism in the coming days. When the idea of forming the Federation first came up, there was a specific reason behind it. In the past, during November and December, whenever farmers received reliable prices of around 6 rupees and some amount of additional value, they were satisfied. But this time, farmers have been able to receive prices of around 7 rupees. During June and July itself, if we organize programs like this and take suggestions from farmer brothers, the Federation, and our trader brothers, we will certainly follow those suggestions and make every possible effort to move forward with everyone's support. The Federation will always stand behind you. Whatever guidance you provide, we will respect it and make every possible effort to move forward accordingly. Similarly, as our President mentioned earlier, whenever MAJ was required in the past, we used to procure it through the nomination system through the government. Since 2004, under previous governments, we have procured approximately 18 lakh metric tons through the nomination system whenever the requirement arose. For the first time this year, after making several representations to the present government regarding the Poultry Federation, the government responded positively. The Hobbiali Chief Minister, Mr. A. Revanth Reddy, also responded positively and made it possible for the Federation, traders and farmers to participate in the tender process. The rules and regulations were simplified so that not only farmers but also the Federation and traders could participate. Certain conditions relating to experience, turnover and other eligibility requirements were relaxed or removed so that more participants could take part in the tender process. In the previous tender, out of approximately 3.71 lakh tons, the Federation secured around 1.60 lakh tons. Out of this, around 60,000 tons were taken for the benefit of our farmers. We deliberately took some time to communicate this opportunity properly to our farmers because there were strict payment conditions. Under the tender conditions, 15% of the payment had to be made within 7 days, and the remaining amount had to be paid within the following period, making it necessary to complete 100% payment within a total period of around 15 days. Since this was our first time qualifying for such a tender, we were very careful. Even a small mistake could have resulted in the Federation being blacklisted. Therefore, we did not want to take any unnecessary risk. We immediately informed our traders and farmers about the opportunity. Messages were sent to individual farmers, and farmers with larger quantities were contacted personally over the phone. We explained to everyone that they should make use of this opportunity, especially because there was uncertainty about proper rainfall in the coming days, and therefore this procurement could be beneficial for farmers. With everyone's support and cooperation, we were able to achieve 100% success in this initiative. This achievement was not the result of one person's efforts alone. It was possible because of the collective support, unity and cooperation of everyone involved. The minimum price was fixed at 24,000 rupees. All the conditions that were applicable in the first tender remained applicable this time as well. However, one additional condition was introduced this time. The condition was that regardless of any changes in the market, the tender would remain binding. Therefore, keeping this condition in mind, we request all our farmer brothers to make full use of this opportunity with your support and cooperation. The Federation, NECC, our respected elders, and the delegation will continue to work together in the future. We will move forward by taking into consideration the cooperation of all sections of the industry, including the NECC Federation, egg and poultry traders, and by following the guidance and suggestions of our elders. We will certainly make every possible effort from our side for the development and welfare of the poultry industry. We sincerely request that your support, cooperation and guidance continue with us at all times. As part of this initiative, we have organized this felicitation program to honor our zonal chairman, Mr. Gurram Shekhar Reddy, who played an important role in helping us achieve a good egg price. Once again, I sincerely thank every person who participated in and supported this felicitation program.